guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video we are going to do a fall haul. I don't even remember when was the last time I filmed the haul video, but here I'm back with another haul video. It's gonna be the fall winter edition though. Basically, I'm just gonna show you what I got recently. I got some clothes, sneakers, and bags, so I'm so excited to share with you guys. To be honest, I didn't plan to film this video at all, but I realized that I got so many fall winter stuff, so yeah, it is a good time to show you guys, especially this time of the year. There are a lot of sales going on and everything, so I hope you guys enjoy, get some idea, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Here's the thing, I love fall, I love sweater seasons. Layering is my favorite. It feels warm and cozy. Particular holidays is around the corner. I am really excited, and I don't know, it just feels really good about it. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. I'm so excited to decorate my space and all that. Anyway, now let's start with what I'm wearing. I am wearing this beautiful blue pattern shirt. It just gives such a classy and chic looking. I really like the material. It's just not so thick and not too thin. Just perfect for this fall to winter layering piece. The quality is great, and I got this for such a good price. H&M having sales going on right now, so if you are interested in some cool winter stuff, I would recommend to check them out. They always have good winter pieces with the affordable price. I just like that you can create any casual or formal with these shirts. It's just so perfect for any kind of occasions. It's in size XS. It runs a little bit big, so I don't have to size up or anything for the oversized look. I like the oversized, but I don't like the chunky one. So this is such a perfect size and length for me. I feel like it's very easy to match with any style, and as I said, it can be casual or formal, which I think that is a very good piece or a must piece to have in your wardrobe. And yeah, I got two pieces from H&M, and the other one that I got is the sweater. This sweater is in size S, and I love it. It is so comfy. Oh my gosh, I want you to feel it. It's really soft one, and I just love the color, the pattern. It's just so cute. Love the sleeve. It's wide, and it just feels really comfortable when you wear it. I've worn this 3 to 4 times already since I got it last week. If you want an oversized look, you can size up, or I feel like it's just true to size based on my size, and this is in size S, but it fits me perfectly. Like, it's not so small. It's really good and flattering. This sweater just gives me a warm, cozy vibe and slightly vintage, which I love, and you definitely can wear for everyday look. I love it. Okay, so those are from H&M. Now let's move on to Shein. I got so many pieces from Shein as well. I feel like Shein is the way to go in terms of fast fashion. I just don't want to spend more than 20 bucks for the 20 pieces. I don't know if you know what I mean, but the first I got from Shein is this off-shoulder knit sweater. Off-shoulder is so trendy right now. You can see it everywhere, and I feel like it's too cute to pass this, and it is really cute, very flattering, and I'm not gonna lie, Shein nailed it. There are so many different kind of sweater, off-shoulder, different styles. I just love shopping there, seeing different things and very cool stuff. Plus, I love their crew necks and sweater. They are really good quality. As you can see, the quality is pretty good, pretty stretchy. I would probably pair this with skirts or pants. I think those go well. It should be fun to wear this on the parties or evening date night and all that. And another off-shoulder sweater in black. I got this in size XS. It's the same style with the last one, except the sleeve is a little wider. I feel like it is such a to-go color for me for any occasions, especially this style. You can wear it day or night, any parties, you know, or holidays party, new year parties. Qualities and materials are amazing, and I feel like it's thicker than the white one, but yeah, I love love it. I paired this with a short and it turns out so cute. I love the look. I know that I'm obsessed with the off-shoulder, but I didn't know until now. I have so many off-shoulder sweater. I got this in size XS and it fit me perfectly. This one is very flattering on me. It has a slit on the sides, which I just knew it when I got it, but on the website I didn't know that it has a slit on the sides. I would prefer no slits though, so I can create more style. Anyway, it is really nice fit in my body. It just hugged my body so well. And another things I forgot to mention is that Shein is the only place that has my size. Next up, I got this beautiful asymmetrical top. It is in black. It's ruches on the sides, which gives a little details on that. It's really good price. I remember it was like $4 something. However, the material is pretty thin. It's almost see-through. Luckily that I got this in black, so I don't have to worry about that much. I also got a pack of 5 socks, and the reason I bought it is that it's such a good price and it comes with 5 socks. And yeah, last but not least, I got this beautiful and functional fall bag. This box bag just gives me a vintage kind of vibe, and I just love the style of it, the color, everything just so cute. The hardware is in gold, which it contrasts with the fur leather, and I think it's such a cute piece for $69.99. I love it. And now Mango's also having a sales going on, so don't walk but run to the store. This trend is coming back and I'm so excited to style with this bag. Here is the zipper. I will show you the inside. Just like that. There is size pocket right here and big compartments. It's so nice and spacious. And the legs bags. Very nice. I'm so excited to style this bag. I've never had Mango's bag before, so we will see how this go, and I will keep you guys an update for that. And if you want to watch my unboxing video for this, I made a short video, so stay tuned for it. Now it's come to the last item of this haul. It is Nike Dunk sneaker. They are so bomb. To be honest, I don't even know if the style will match mine, but I just got it. I just been an eye on this for such a long time, and I finally got it. It was too good deal to skip it for me, so I got it. I cannot wait to style the fit with these shoes. I'm so excited. And this is in size 7. I often wear 6.5, 7, but I chose 7 because Nike runs a little bit small. So the 7 is just like the perfect fit for me. Love the look of this. It should be really nice for fall, winter, or rainy seasons too, since it's like a leather. So I'm so excited to create the fit. I feel like it's go well with this fit too, so I'm so excited. Here's come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!